How to make grass green fast. Make your grass green fast and enjoy a lawn that is healthy and beautiful for outdoor entertaining. This is easy and has the bonus of being low cost. Weeds are rarely a problem in yards with healthy grass. Weeds need bare space or brown patches to establish themselves as part of the lawn. Healthy grass roots are close together and grow deeper into the soil than the roots of starved grass, leaving little room for weeds. Things you will need: thatch rake, grass seed, hose or sprinkler, sheets, fertilizer, lawnmower. Remove dead growth, sticks and leaves with a metal thatch rake. Hand cast grass seed throughout the lawn, including the areas that are already green, to have a thick and lush turf. Cover the seed with sheets to prevent birds from eating it. Water the grass seed according to the directions on the seed package. Do not fertilize the yard until the seed has sprouted. Fertilizer can prevent sprouting. Apply a fertilizer that has a combination of slow release and fast release nitrogen. Nitrogen makes your grass green. Fast release nitrogen will turn your grass green fast, but used alone the grass will have shallow roots and be more prone to die during the dry, hot summer. Slow release nitrogen encourages deep root growth as it continues to feed your lawn throughout the summer. An ideal nitrogen ratio is 50 to 70% soluble fast release and 30 to 50% insoluble slow release. Water the lawn once a week in the early morning with 1 inch of water. This amount will seep through the soil 6 to 8 inches deep to feed the roots. Watering only once each week will help encourage the deep root system necessary for healthy, green grass. Deep roots will not burn in the hot August sun. Set the lawnmower blade to cut the grass 2 inches high. Do not bag the clippings but rather let them decompose and feed the lawn. Grass is at least 75% water, so the cuttings will not contribute to creating thatch. Pull any scattered weeds as soon as you notice them. Most weeds do not like high nitrogen soil or the thick turf, so this should not be a big problem. Fertilize the grass every 8 to 10 weeks. Tips warnings. Your grass seed should contain a mixture of local grasses rather than just one strain. The grass will be hardier and less prone to brown spots with a mixture of grasses.